Latest update sa SB19 World Tour sa Dubai. Isang Ruby Angelica ang nagbahagi ng kanyang naging saloobin. To our very own SB19, I just started listening to your music recently and wow, I'm hooked. Your songs are incredible and your performances during your concert here in Dubai have so much energy. And I've been amazed by your talent, energy, and the genuine emotion you put into everything you do. You've already made such a positive impact on me. Thank you for sharing your passion and hard work with the world. I'm so excited to keep supporting you from here on. Keep shining and doing what you love. Simula at wakas, World Tour Dubai. Samantala, narito pa ang naging say ng ilang mga 18s na nanood ng Simula at wakas World Tour sa Dubai. I didn't know na ganito sila kasikat. Hehehe, SB19. One of the best Pinoy concert I've ever been to. SB19 didn't disappoint. Every segment is well curated. They had high and lows in terms of energy. From energetic dance performances to soul-capturing ballads. Light sounds, lead, and fit, they tick all the boxes. Isa pang pagbabahagi ng isang 18 or SB19 fan mula kay Yenny Visible. My friend's message after the con, hahaha, hindi talaga tayo mapapahiya sa kanila. B, grabe, sobrang galing. Diba, gets na gets naman, meron pang next week sa Doha. Komento ng mga fans, very true yung di makapahiya. Being me, na halos sila talaga naman ng feeds ko since 2020. Yung mga friends ko naiinis na sa akin kasi bakit lagi daw yung boys yung lumalabas sa feeds nila. Until sila na mismo ang nagsabi at na sila ay humanga din sa SB19. And yes, I'm beyond proud being a silent fan until maging maingay at handang makipag bardagulan nung what era ipaglaban mo talaga. Anyway, hindi man na sold out dahil sobrang laki nga ng arena ng Coca-Cola, pero grabe, napakaraming ang tao, base na rin ito sa mga posts ng mga nanood sa nasabi nga pong concert ng SB19 sa Coca-Cola Arena sa Dubai.